Welcome to the session on frequently asked queries reaching Tally Care on Release 5. In this video, we will be covering FAQs on other modules. FAQ 1. While creating any expenses ledger, cursor is not moving to mailing detail. Why? And how to resolve the same. What options to be enabled in order to move the cursor to mailing details. I'm going to accounts info, ledgers, create, expenses ledger. Under indirect expenses, in order to move the cursor to mailing details from the ledger creation or alteration screen, press F12 and enable the option use addresses for revenue accounts and accept the ledger configuration screen, and now you will be able to provide the mailing details for expenses ledger also. Next we will go with FAQ 2. In release 5, audit and compliance option is not available. Why? The existing source code is not functional anymore as the taxation modules are completely revamped in release 5. The tax audit module will be immediately done once all tax modules are released and are stable post release 5. Hence, audit and compliance option is not available in release 5. We will go with next FAQ. FAQ 3. How to take auto backup in release 5. The design of auto backup needs revamp. The new design will allow us to effectively fix the issues found in the functionality. The restore capability will continue to be available. As an alternative, you can use Cobain Backup, which is an excellent free backup software which can be used for Tally to backup data. From product, go for help, that is Alt-H. Click on knowledge base. From knowledge base screen, in search, provide the keyword how to take data backup in release 5 and click on go. On giving the keyword, you will find the article how to take auto backup from release 5.0 onwards. Click on the article. So this article will help you in configuring Cobain application in taking auto backup from release 5 onwards. Kindly follow the steps to configure Cobain backup in order to take auto backup in release 5. We will go with next FAQ 4. While loading release 5 data in release 4.9, getting error incorrect version of data. How to resolve the same? Currently, if you have passed any transactions in release 5, then you cannot load same data in previous release of Tally.ERP 9, that is release 4.9. You need to restore earlier data which was not migrated to release 5. The reason behind this is as you have used 4.9 data in release 5, when you load the same data in 4.9, the data will get corrupted and you cannot retrieve your data back. In case in release 5, if you have viewed only reports and you have not passed any transactions, then you can restore the same data in release 4.9 or the previous release also. But before restoring the data, rewrite the data once and then you can reload the data. We will go with next FAQ 5. While exporting Daybook to Excel, additional description is not appearing. How to resolve? In case while passing the transaction, if you have given any additional description for stock item, say for example in the transaction, press F12 and if you have enabled the option use additional description for item name, on enabling this option, after selecting stock item, the description screen appears. So if customer has specified the description in the transaction, so the same description is not appearing while exporting the Daybook to Excel sheet. In order to get the additional description in Excel sheet, come to Display, Daybook, press Alt E, command to export, press backspace. In Format, select Excel spreadsheet. You can specify the export location, output file name, output sheet. Select Format Detailed, enable Show Inventory Details, and enable the option Show Additional Description of Stock Item, and then make export as yes. Once after exporting, you will find the additional description in the Excel sheet. We will go to the next FAQ 6. Explain the procedure to migrate data from Tally 7.2 to Release 5. Now we'll go through the product. Earlier to Release 5, when we go to Tally folder, we used to find the migration exe inside the Tally folder. But from Release 5, migration.exe file will not be available inside the Tally folder. You need to download the migration tool from the download center. So to download migration tool, log on to www.tallysolutions.com. Click on Downloads. Under Tally.ERP 9, click on Download. Click on Download Center Archive. Under Download Center Archive, click on Tally Extensions, and here you will find migration files. Tally.ERP 9 Migration Tool. Click on the migration tool to save. So once after saving the migration tool, copy the migration tool and paste inside the Tally folder. So once after saving the migration tool, double click on the migration tool and you can start migrating the data of Tally 7.2 into Tally.ERP Release 5. We'll go to the next FAQ 7. How to disable discount column from invoice printout. Let's see in the product. From the invoice, if customer has provided the discount, and if you want to disable the discount column, press Alt P, press F12. Under item details, disable the option print discount column and accept the screen. And when you print the invoice, you will not find the discount column. We'll go with the next FAQ 8. Few add-ons are not working in Release 5. How to resolve the issue? Currently, there are few add-ons which were working in the previous release but are not working in Release 5. So for this issue, kindly inform the customer to contact the add-on developer. Hope this video was informative and helped you to gain a better understanding of other modules in Release 5. Thank you.